Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
So the top story has been the temperatures. It's been very mild out. We've had warm air that's continued to filter up through West Michigan. Now you notice that Fremont and Big Rapids are sitting in the 30s, whereas Kalamazoo is sitting at 46. What's happening is that cold air is starting to sink on in just a bit, but overnight tonight, warm air is going to win out, and tomorrow everyone's going to be mild. You can see really clearly everywhere where there's a very calm wind has that cold air, but the warmer conditions are being brought in by that wind coming up from the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So just a gentle overnight breeze. Skies are cloudy. If we look at Storm Track Live, again, you can see the very definite difference between rain and snow. The snow is going to stay north of West Michigan, but we are going to see the rain, and it's slowly starting to edge on in to the Grand Rapids region. We could see a few showers kind of kick on in early before this actual line pushes on in, but for the most part, 2 a.m. is when we'll start to see hit and miss showers, and then once we get to dawn, we'll have scattered showers, but it's all going to be light, not a lot of heavy downpours in the forecast. So here's a look at your futurecast. You can see mostly cloudy skies, and then 2 a.m. is when we'll start to see that shower activity pick up. 7 a.m. tomorrow, so if you're getting up very early just before daybreak, you'll see scattered showers through most of West Michigan, slowly continuing to filter on throughout about 11 a.m. and then even noon. We have showers in the forecast all the way through the afternoon, and then once we get to the evening, our temperatures drop, so we'll hit 46 early in the day, and then once we get to Saturday evening, we'll start to see that cold air finally edge on in. So here's your futurecast for those of you that have been keeping an eye on the Lions forecast, or for those of you who are traveling. Notice the rain showers coming in from the southwest and then tracking to the northeast. Hazardous spots are all across the Upper Peninsula, Mackinac Island, down through Green Bay, La Crosse. That's where we could actually see some mix and some snow. But notice all of West Michigan towards the Detroit area stays on the warm side until we get to Sunday. Then that cold air starts to move on through, and by kickoff tomorrow for Green Bay, just a cloud band with chilly temperatures. Now, the snow that we have a chance at seeing Saturday night into Sunday is not going to amount to any accumulation. And that is going to add to the first 25 days of December being the least snowy on record. Grand Rapids is seeing only 0.3 inches of snow, so it is now the least snowy so far. Muskegon, the 5th least snowy, and if we look at Lansing, it's been the 6th least snowy first 25 days of December. So the bare ground is a little rare. Now notice once we get to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, our temperatures even colder as Arctic air finally breaks on down through Canada and makes its way to West Michigan. The Arctic air doesn't look like it's going to be deep enough, though, to trigger lake effect snow, really significant snow, that is. So yes, we'll see a lot of light snow flitting through the air, but probably not looking for major accumulations at this point. Of course, if that changes, though, we'll keep you updated, but just get ready for that slow dip down into the 20s.
Back to reality.
I know.
Ellen, thanks.